Hello friends, my name is Shumil Kumar Sharkar and I am a financial planner. Today I will discuss about the 7 steps of financial freedom. Financial freedom refers to a state of an individual who sustains a desired lifestyle without being financially constrained. It covers the all expenses without being regular employment. So further proceed into the video, I'll request everybody, if you like the video, please comment it, subscribe it, and press the bell icons so that notification of the next video will go to you. So step number one, set clear goals. Define your financial objectives, whether it may be savings for your retirement, buying a home, or pay debt for EMI or child education. Set clear goals for clear direction. Step number 2, create a budget. Develop a detailed budget for your income, expenditure, and savings. It helps you for ensure allocation your fund for your goals. Step number 3, create an emergency fund. Create a robust emergency fund to cover the unwanted expenses due to non-employment or any unforeseen events. Having a financial safety not only provides peace of mind, but it prevents setback in your financial journey. Step number 4, eliminate high interest debt. Prioritize paying off high interest debts like credit card, etc. Reducing interest payment frees up your money so that you can place them for savings and investment. Step number 5, invest wisely. Do not limit all your investment in your one place. Diversify your investment according to your risk tolerance and goals. Consider a mix of stock, bonds, or other assets to build wealth over the time. Step number 6, insurance coverage. Ensure you are having adequate insurance in reference to health, life, and property. This helps you and your family from any unforeseen event in future. Steps number 7, continuous learning. Stay informed about your personal finances, investment strategies, and economic trends. Continuous learning helps one to update and adapt yourself to change himself with the present financial scenario. So friends, now this is the 7 steps of financial freedom. We'll be coming back with the next video. Till then, goodbye.